What is up guys, I hope you all are having a great day. My name is Amaras and in this video we'll be looking at the best free editing audio recording software that you can get right now. So the name of the software is Audacity, as you can see on the screen, and this is the same software that I use to record every video on this channel. So the first thing that is really great about this software is that it is absolutely free, which means it does not cost a single penny. And it does not has a paid version. Everything that you get is free and only has a one version. So what you get in this version are some really great things and some basic and simple things also. So if you look at a new project, as you can see, this is the simple interface of this software, and to record a video you just press on this record button, and if you want to play or pause or stop recording you can use these buttons. And the other things are that you can monitor your audio while you're recording, which is pretty good, and you can even monitor your audio if you want to check what mic or which mic it is currently recording. And other than that, it has some other options of volume increase and decrease and some trim and copy paste options. And the best thing which comes in editing is like this. So if I press on the record button right now, it won't record. Sorry, it won't record because it is currently recording on the previous recording. But if I go on the effects section and go to these effects, you can use these effects. But how? So if you record a clip, for example, it was a 5-minute clip. As you can see, the clip that I'm recording on currently is going on and on. So if I was about to edit this clip, I would go into the effect settings, and there are many effects like amplify, bass and treble, distortion, compressor, equalization, fade in, fade out, noise reduction, which is pretty good. So basically how you use this is, when you take a clip, you just apply noise reduction on that clip, which makes the clip really easy to reduce noise. Other than that, the software can provide some high quality filters as well, like the high pass filter, which will cancel out all the low frequency voices, and the low pass filter, which will cancel out all the high frequencies. So if you want to get a really professional voice but you don't want to spend a single penny, then Audacity is pretty good. So that was all for this video. I hope you had a great time watching the video. I know it was a short video, but I just wanted to tell you guys that this software is pretty good, and if you're looking to get into YouTube or Twitch streaming, this can help you a lot, as it can record great voiceovers. Plus you can edit these voiceovers straight into this software, straight with this software. Along with that, you can get a really good sense of how all the things are going and how are you going to do all the things. So that was all for today's video. I hope you had a great time watching the video, and if you really liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you loved it, please be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching guys. My name is Amaras and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned.